Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to talking something about these type of bots, airdopes, that how you can pair these devices with your laptop or computer. You are listening very right. You can easily do whatever you want to do on your laptop or computer. You want to watch videos, you can watch videos, just play games and enjoy any kind of things on your laptop and computer. And you can easily pair these type of airdopes, airpods, or anything you call them. You can easily pair them, but how you can do so? So first of all, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel, and now watch the video till the end and learn how to pair these type of devices with laptop or computer. Now what we have to do, we have to just open this case, and we have to just take out these both pairs of earphones. And now we have to just do a thing, check out that both are working or not. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to this search button over here, and we have to type Bluetooth. As you can see up over there are showing an option called Bluetooth and other devices settings. In many other windows there will be little bit of change in the options. You have to just check out. After that we have to just click on this, and a pop-up opens like this. If you don't find this option over there, we have to just go over here below over there, 1 second, on this arrow. After temperatures, over there is the arrow. We have to go to that, and there will be options are open with many options. From that we have to choose this Bluetooth, and when we click on this Bluetooth, it will show options like that, and we have to just click on add a Bluetooth device over here, and the same settings and same options are going to be open over here. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on this add Bluetooth or other devices. When we click on this, it will open few options like this, and from there we have to just click on this Bluetooth mic, keyboard, pen, and audio, and etc. We have to just click on that, and it will start searching for the device. And now as you can see that airdopes are showing over here. We have to just click on this, and after that it will start connecting, and as you can see, device is connected. Now we have to click on this done, and over here it's showing the device details and battery percentage is over here. If you like this video about this device, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.